Let's welcome Amy.
Hello, my name is Amy, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite plants, airplanes. And before we start it, let me ask you a question first. Which one is a pineapple crown? I will give you 30 seconds, and you guys can have your own answer in your mind. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's easy, right? The answer is B. How about A? Well, A is actually our main character today. Its name is airplanes. And you guys might wonder why these two are so similar. This is because they are actually in the same family, which means they are cousins. So here is our content today. I will separate my topic into 3 parts. The first part is species, origin, and characteristic. And the second part is planting and care. And the last part is flowers and reproduction. So let's start from the first part. So here are some basic information about airplanes. Airplanes is actually its common name, and its genus name is called Tillandsia. And actually, airplanes include more than 600 species. It's not only limited to certain species. Yeah. And also, as we've mentioned before, they are cousins of pineapple. And also, its origin is from the Central and Southern America. And as for its characteristic, there are 2 main characteristics. The first one is low maintenance, which means we don't have to pay much attention to them. And also, the airplanes don't need soil to live. And the second one is drought tolerant, which means you don't have to water them that frequently. And here are various kinds of airplanes, and they come in all sizes, all colors, and all shapes. And today I've brought one kind of Tillandsia, which called Tillandsia alimenta druid. And as you guys can see here, it has yellow flower. Oh my God, yellow flower. Wait, yellow flower here, and some little white scales here, which we call trichomes. And these trichomes will help the airplanes to absorb water from the air, and it's a unique structure of airplanes. And as for our part 2, we will talk about planting and care. And every other plants will need sun, air, and water, and so do airplanes. And as for the sun, we have to keep them away from the direct sunlight. Instead, we should put them indoors or outdoors in the shade. And as for the air, we should keep the environment well balanced. And also, we should grow them in a Celsius between 18 to 26 degrees Celsius. And as for the water, we should water them 2 to 3 times per week. And we should sprinkle some waters on them or soak them in the water. And remember, if you want to soak them in the water, don't soak them more than 30 seconds. And after watering them, you should put them upside down like this. And also, this will prevent the roots from prevent the water from pooling at the base of leaves and prevent from causing roots. And as for part 3, we will look at watch a video, and I will make some pauses to explain to you guys more detailing. Okay, here we start. So after the airplanes grow until maturity, they will have flowers. One of the interesting facts is that each of the airplanes will only bloom once in its lifetime. And those have flowers, we call them mother plants. And each mother plant will produce 1 to 10 offsets at her base per time. And yeah, after the offsets become mature, we will remove them from the mother plants here. And then the offsets will grow independently. That's how the air plant reproduce. And after the mother plants bloom and have its offset, the mother plant will sadly dead. And this is because the mother plant will gradually dead, and the mother plant won't dead until its offsets become mature. Yeah. And that's the whole growth cycle of the airplanes. Oh my god. Oh my god. And here is my conclusion. So today we've mentioned some enchanting facts, some care tips, and their growth cycle. And if you are guys who are poor at planting like me, which means you don't have green finger, you have black finger, and you might can try to air plants. Yeah, and I believe that you will have a nice experience. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you. So, is there any question? Feel free to raise your hand, and yeah, I will answer it at my best.
So feel free to speak. Any plant lovers here or green lovers? Yes.
How long have you been keeping your airplane?
Actually, I just received my package last week.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
But I searched a lot of information on it. Okay.
So did anyone introduce you to airplanes?
The first time I know this kind of plants is actually in the period of my high school, and my student, my peers, they plant this kind of plants, and I feel it is interesting.
Let's see.
Okay.
I also have like 2 of the air plants.
Oh,
Right. Yeah.
which species do you have?
I think it's
Similar?
like the same.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah, but I sometimes,
Oh.
I don't know. I really have a really black finger. Like one of the plant died.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's so sad.
Have you watered them once a week, or you just
Yeah,
place?
that's the problem. I think I forgot.
All right.
Like, are there any tips like you suggest?
Okay. Regularly, we will water them at least once per month, and
Yes.
so that it's won't be dry. And we should put them maybe indoors, maybe like near the windows, which sunlight can come in but won't directly shoot on the airplane. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Randy.
Thank you.
Good. How much they say cost?
You mean the price includes pots or
Oh,
all? Let me count. About 50. It's not cost a lot. Yeah.
So any others? Feel free to speak.
Okay.
Just one more question. I think you introduced the life cycle of the plant.
Yeah.
But I wonder how long is the life cycle?
Oh, all right. The life cycle is frequently lasts about 4 to 5 years, and mother plants will dead. The whole period of the mother plant dying is 2 to 3 years. Yeah. Okay.
Right, so thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you.